Which expression is not a factor of 1120 times x to the fourth power negative 43,750? Okay, let's factor this expression. For that, we have to get the greatest common divisor of this 1120 and this number 43,750. We can use Desmos to get the greatest common divisor. The input has to be, that is GCD, then parenthesis, the first number 1120, comma, the second number 43,750. When I do so in Desmos, I am getting 70 as the greatest common divisor of this number and this number. So we can factor this greatest common divisor 70 from these two terms of the expression. Okay, let me do it. Okay, now I have factored 70 from the terms of this expression. Now to get the stuff inside the parenthesis, I have to divide the terms by the one I factored, that is by 70. That is 1120 times x to the fourth power divided by 70. Negative 43,750 divided by 70. Okay, 70 times, when I divide this number 1120 by 70, I am getting 16 and we have x to the fourth power. And the value of this fraction is 625. Okay, 70 times this 16 can be written as 4 square and this x to the fourth power can be written as x square the whole square. Negative, this 625 is a perfect square, that is 25 square is equal to 625. Okay, 70 times, here this 4 square and x square the whole square are multiplied. We have the exponent 2 for both 4 and x square. Whenever two quantities are multiplied with the same exponent, we can take the exponent in common. That is 4 times x square, the whole square, negative 25 square. Okay, now let's consider an identity in algebra, that is the difference of two squares, a square, negative b square. The factor form of this expression is, the difference of these two squares is a positive b times a negative b. Okay, now let's consider the expression we have here. We have a difference of two squares. This is exactly in this form, a square negative b square. So it can be written in factor form like this. So when I compare this one and this one, at the place of a, we have 4x square. At the place of b, we have 25. Okay, now let me write the factor form of this expression. That is 70 times for a positive b, I would write 4x square positive 25. Let me write it. And for a negative b, I would write 4x square negative 25. Okay, 70 times 4x square positive 25. I have written the first two factors as it is. Now, in the third one, we can write this 4 as 2 square. That is, we have 2 square times x square. Negative, this 25 can be written as 5 square. Okay, here 70 times 4x square positive 25. Now we can write this 2 square x square as 2x the whole square negative 5 square. Okay, 70 times 4x square positive 25. Now again this one is exactly the form of a square negative b square. At the place of a we have 2x, at the place of b we have 5. So we can write this one in factor form like this one. So for a positive b we have 2x positive 5 and for a negative b we have 2x negative 5. Okay, now I have factored the given expression completely. I got 4 factors, 70, 4x square positive 25, 2x positive 5, 2x negative 5. Okay, I find this one in answer choice A. So this 4x square positive 25 is a factor of this expression. But our aim is to find the one which is not a factor. So we can reject answer choice A. And also, I don't find this 2x square negative 5 in the factors of the given expression. I think answer choice B must be true. Okay, anyways, let's verify the remaining answer choices. In C, we have 2x positive 5. We find 2x positive 5 as one of the factors. So we can reject answer choice C. And in answer choice D, we have 70. We find 70 as one of the factors for the given expression. So we can reject D as well. We don't find this one as one of the factors for the given expression. 2x square negative 5 is not a factor of the given expression. So the correct answer choice for this question is B.